Hello everyone. Hi children. How are you doing today? I hope you're keeping safe. Okay, this is Miss Faith and I will be teaching you how to solve some simple problems in numeracy. Okay, so we're going to be starting a series of problem solving in numeracy. We're going to be starting a series today, and this series is titled Simple Prompts. Simple prompts in doing our number works. Okay, so prompts are like startup ideas that help you to solve a problem. Okay, like a clue that helps you to solve a problem. That's what prompts are. So we're going to be learning some clues to solving some number problems. Are you with me? Okay, so let's go into our lesson. So we want to be working with numbers before. We'll be solving problems that have to do with filling in missing numbers before. Okay, so you might ask me that what that is. Okay, it's sounding as if you've not come across it before, but let's go into the lesson and then you see that you've been trying to solve this problem for some time, but probably it has been difficult for you to solve. So we're going to break that down and we'll find it very easy to do. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so the first prompt here, the first clue to solving this problem is if a number does not end with 0, write the first number, change the second number by counting backwards. If a number does not end with 0, write the first number, change the second number by counting backwards. Or you might say, oh, Miss Faith, slow down. Okay, yes, don't worry, you will learn it now. So before we start, we're going to get to know these numbers. Let's meet these numbers. This is called a 0 to 0 number line. Okay, a 0 to 0 number line. You can see all the numbers here. You have 0 at the beginning and you have 0 at the end. Okay, so we're going to identify these numbers first. So let's go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Now let's count backwards from 0. 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now we have met our numbers. So let's go into our work for today. So the first clue there, the first prompt there says, if a number does not end with 0, you write the first number and change the second number by counting backwards. We have to learn that clue. So now you say with me, or you say after me, repeat after me. If a number does not end with 0, let's take that again. If a number does not end with 0, write the first number, change the second number by counting backwards. Write the first number, change the second number by counting backwards. All right, let's do this together. We have a dash here, and then let's pick 18. Remember, we're working with numbers that do not end with 0. So if a number does not end with 0, write the first number, change the second number by counting backwards. Now, how do we know which one is the first number and which one is the second number? Okay, so here goes. 1 here, because you write it first. 1 is the first number. 8 is the second number. 1 is the first number. 8 is the second number. So what's the first number? 1. What's the second number? 8. Now show me the first number. Show me the second number. What is the first number? 1. What is the second number? 8. So now that we have established that, now we know what the first number is. So 1 is the first number. So you write that down. 1 is the first number. Now you change the second number by counting backwards. Change the second number by counting backwards. What's the second number again? 8. Now go to the number line. Have you found 8 on the number line? Touch it. Good. Now you count backwards. Just take one step backwards. So this is 8, 7. So what number comes before 8? 7. So we write 7 here. So now we have 17, 18, 17, 18. Okay. Going to do another one together. So we have dash and 32. What's the first number? 3. What's the second number? 2. So our clue says, write the first number. So what's the first number? 3. Change the second number by counting backwards. What's the second number? 2. Now look for 2 on the number line. Found 2. Now touch 2. Count backwards. 1. Okay, just take one step, just one hop. So here we have 31, 32, 31, 32. Good. You can do this on your own now. So at the end of today's lesson, I'm going to give you an assignment that you will do and drop your answers in the comment section below, so I can track your progress and I can know if you understand it or not. Now the second clue says, if a number ends with 0, change both numbers by counting backwards. Okay, I told you we'll be making use of this 0 to 0 number line. So let's go. Dash, and let's pick 20. 2 0 is 20, right? Okay, so if a number ends with 0, we change both numbers. If a number ends with 0, we change both numbers. So first, what's the first number? 2. So you change 2 first, because this number ends with 0, so you change 2. Okay, so let's identify 2 here and go back once. And what number comes before 2? 1. Now this is 0. Because we are counting backwards, we'll make use of this 0 here. So what number comes before 0? 9. You have to memorize that. 9. So now we have 19, 20. Just one more before I give you the assignment. Okay, so here we have a dash and 50. That's 50. Remember, If a number ends with 0, we change both numbers. So what's the first number? 5. So look for 5. Look for 5 on the number line. Look for 5 on the number line. Okay, so this is 5. Good. So we're going to take one step backwards. That shows we're counting backwards. So let's go 5, 4. Good. So what number comes before 5? 4. Very good. And now remember 0. Just memorize that. What number comes before 0? 9. What number comes before 0? 9. So you write it there. So now you have 49, 50. 49, 50. 49, 50. All right. Remember, I told you I was going to give you an assignment to do. Okay, so I'm going to write that out. I'll write out the numbers that I want you to work on. Okay, so those are the numbers I want you to work with. You have dash and 39, dash 64, dash 70, dash 30. So those are the numbers you have to work on. Put the answers in the comment section below. So stay safe and bye-bye.